How's it going, guys? We have quite an interesting video planned for you guys tomorrow. It is 2 a.m. currently, and we plan in the morning to do an honesty test on the streets of Brisbane. We previously shot and edited an objectively bad music video, and we're gonna see whether people are honest enough to tell us just how bad the video actually is. The purpose of a video like this is to show that as a creative, it's important to have honest people in your circle in order for you to continue to excel and grow as an artist. I'll be honest, doing a video like this is a tad outside my comfort zone, so we're gonna see how well I do, and I'll also be bringing one of my best bros, Bronson Moyle, along, who is an actual really talented music video director here in Brisbane. Could I get you guys' opinion on a music video?
I want to really show you a video that I've worked super hard on. So I'm a music video director.
Yeah.
I basically just got nominated for an ARIA award.
You guys are film students, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. I never went to film school like you guys, so I always tell you people that, you don't have to go to film school and actually make great art.
I animated the titles, and I'm pretty proud of these. So.
I hope the rain don't come in November, 'cause the summer went way too fast.
Because he's running.
Said your love was real, you said your love is strong. You tryna hold me tight and never let me go. You moving way too fast, we need to take it slow. Guess that's what happens when you hanging in for way too long. Girl, high key, you need to find somebody else besides me. Yeah, I understand that you like me.
Okay, what you guys think? 1 through 10.
I liked it. I reckon probably give it 8 to 9, I reckon.
8 to 9?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I'd give it a 7.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's a count.
I love this flash transition.
Yeah, no. You know, I always find my way to turn a bad look in the field to something solid.
Yeah, I'm heavily inspired by Wes Anderson, but I wanted to put my twist on it and add a bit of motivation into the movement. I can tell you're a photographer here and you have a very good eye for composition. I feel like I have an amazing eye as well. What did you think about it?
Let me have a little.
Oh yeah, you wanna? Yeah, go for it. Just have a little cheeky scroll through.
I don't know, like this little throw cut in the fake rain.
Honestly, you could put in asterisks, too emotional. I felt pretty
Yeah.
I felt like there was a lot of emotion to the song, so I needed to create that emotion. So yeah.
With the fake, yeah, beautiful.
I mean, it doesn't look that fake. I don't know what you're really on about. I thought it looked pretty legit.
Yeah, no, it does. It looks, semi-legit.
It doesn't look real?
Yeah, mildly real, yeah.
Not almost real. I could not tell that would be fake.
I like the constant camera movement, keeping the audience engaged. The pan to the sky I quite like that.
The budget was actually 3K.
3K?
Oh, the budget was 3K.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So it is on the low end, but yeah. We still got it done.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, and then I think for the track and distribution of the song, probably another 5K on top.
Yeah.
Yeah. What would you rate it at 1 to 10?
I'd probably rate it, I don't know,
My hard-earned work. They call me the young Spielberg.
I can't tell this. I don't know, 7.5.
I'm a music video director. We're shooting testimonials for my latest body of work. We don't do any music videos below 15,000.
I hope the rain don't come in November, 'cause the summer went way too fast.
Awesome. What would you rate it?
Bro, that's for me. That's a 10, bro. That's a 10. All day.
That's a 10 for me too, bro. Yeah. No, that's
Think Snoop Dogg a feature?
Bro.
Yeah, definitely.
If he doesn't, he's crazy, bro.
Okay, so I'm a music video director. We're getting testimonials for my latest video. You guys look like you guys do music videos. You guys are into music?
Yeah, I dabble, man. I dabble here and there, but I do what I can.
So I'm an artist on the other end. I shoot the music videos, edit them. We're trying to get testimonials. We're submitting this to a few labels. Want to get all of you guys' reactions. Rate it 1 through 10.
I hope the rain don't come in November, 'cause the summer went way too fast.
What's the budget for this one?
This one was about 15K. 15,000.
Is that it?
You said $15 budget?
No, $15,000.
Oh, 15,000.
Is that it?
15,000. $70,000.
You're not serious.
I'm serious.
Did you make that?
Shot it, edited it.
If you made it, it's really nice.
Nah,
Thank
But
you.
you could do
this
a lot
is
of
good.
work.
I like the pen in and out. The outfit selection was crazy. The guy's drip was.
Let me just
Hold
I
on.
want to.
See
I
this
just-
right here?
No,
That's hard.
That's like.
Yo, stop riding there, man. It's ass, bro. That was ass.
I'll do any of you guys' videos too. If you guys,
Let her keep riding. Let her keep riding. I'm good, man.
we wanted just to. I'm a music video director. I've been doing music videos for like maybe 10 years, and we're basically getting like testimonials. Give it a look. Tell me what you think.
I hope the rain don't come in November.
This video budget was about like 7K.
Need to take it slow. Guess that's what happens when you hanging in for way too long. Girl, high key. You need to find somebody.
It's pretty good, pretty bad. Okay, no?
Yeah, it's all right.
Is there like 1 out of 10? Where do you rate it? 10?
Yes. Way up, man.
11.
11. We're getting like testimonials. We're gonna send this to a bunch of labels. Guys, we're getting testimonials for my reel. I'm a music video director.
I hope the rain.
Each of these videos costs about like 7,000, 8,000 Australian dollars to do. People fly me out all over the world.
That was $7,000.
$7,000.
I don't think so, eh?
But what I was saying was to do that. Yeah, to do that video.
That's true?
7,000 to 8,000. What I was saying is like, as far as people crying, like people cry all the time when they watch my work, and I'm usually just like, it's okay, man. Like real man, you can cry.
Yeah, it's very.
To be inspired.
Are you serious?
No, I'm serious. So like, all we need is just like a.
It's good, bro. One of the best I've never seen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 1 out of 10, where do you rate it? Then we'll
11.
11?
For sure.
These guys, we just met them. They started filming with us. I appreciate the rating. They were giving me like 3, 4, and I was like kind of getting mad at them.
Nah, you're pretty good. You have good future if you keep doing.
I don't even need it's not even about a future. Like I feel like I've reached like my peak
Yeah.
at this point.
If this is the beginning, I can't imagine your future.
No, this is I've been doing this for maybe like 10, 20 years, 10, 15 years.
10 years doing this.
Didn't go to film school. I tell people you don't necessarily need to go to film school in order to be like like a good artist. It's dope. I'm done. I don't need to learn anymore. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it,
Thanks so
bro.
much. Yeah. I'm a music video director. Been doing music video directing for like maybe 10, 15 years. We're cutting something. We're gonna send to a bunch of labels, like honest on the street reactions to my body of work. 1 out of 10 rating. We've been asking people. Any of you guys artists? Yeah, like video editing.
I like editing videos. I like doing lots of things like those sort of
Nice. All these music videos, they usually cost around like 5 to 7K. We get flown out all throughout the world.
I hope the rain don't come in November. Cause the summer went way too fast. You said your love was real. You said your love is strong. You tryna hold me tight.
We just got flown out to like Paris, Amsterdam, London. People are taking us all over the place to kind of like showcase our art.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
1 out of 10. Where would you guys rate it?
I'm gonna say an 8. I'm gonna say an 8. I like that.
Yeah, an 8.
Yeah.
An 8.
Perfect.
Yeah. 8 out of 10.
11.
Oh.
Perfect. Perfect.
That's really good. I like
Perfect. This guy right here, Justice. We just met him filming. He was like flaming me, saying it was like a 3 or 4. But this is proof that, you know, art is objective. So I appreciate you guys being honest. A lot of people aren't honest in this world. Appreciate you guys though. Yeah. You guys. Yeah.